Hi everyone, you're welcome in. Hope you're doing great. Thank you for tuning in. So today's recipe, I'm going to be making a beef stew in combination with some other vegetables. So if you want to know how I made this stew, do stay tuned and keep on watching. So here are part of my ingredients: some peas, some pepper, onions, pumpkin, carrots, sweet corn, potato and beef. The measurement to all this will be below in the description box. So right now we are about to start. So in here I have my pot. I'm just adding about 3 tablespoons of oil, which I will be using just to saute the meat. And I added in my onions, and then I will be throwing in the meat, and I'm going to give this a stir after I've added some of the ingredients again, and I'm going to cover this up and allow it to cook very well on a medium heat for at least 30 minutes. And I'm going to season this meat with some paprika, salt to taste, black pepper and some ginger powder. And I'm going to give this a very good mix, and I will cover it up and allow it to do its thing. After 30 to 35 minutes, so thereabouts, here we have it. The meat is fully boiled, you can see, and it has softened a bit. So for more flavor, I decided to go in with some dried red wines. Yeah, this is going to give it a very good flavor, and I'm just going to allow this to boil for it to evaporate and let the alcohol in it goes away. And then I'm going to add water, and I will be adding my other ingredients as well. After I added the water, I needed to top in with some seasonings. So I decided to go in with this aroma Maggie's liquid seasoning, and this is about a tablespoon. And after that, I will be adding also some pepper flakes, yeah, for more spicy in it. And then after that also, I'll be going in with 1 seasoning cube, and this I'll be adding in there, and then I'll start introducing my vegetables. After I'm done adding the vegetable, I'm just going to cover this up and allow it to cook on a medium heat. And here it is after 30 minutes again. And so I decided to go in with my cooked green peas and some of my sweet corn, and I found out that I also had some chickpeas inside that sweet corn, because that was the leftover of the sweet corn I used for salad. So here we have it. I'm going to cover this up again and allow it for extra 15 minutes, and here we have it, guys. our stew is fully ready. This was a bomb. Give this a try, guys. This is a simple, delicious meal you can have with your family. You can choose to have this with rice if you want. You can have it with anything you want. I decided to have it like this on my own, but this goes well also with some bread, okay? My kids always love to have it with some bread, so feel free to have it with whatever you would want, or you can have it alone like this. You will enjoy it. I enjoy it just like this, the way it is. So give this a try and let me know if you do. I would really love to know. So at this point, I would want to really appreciate you all if you have watched me this far. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I truly appreciate you. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, you are welcome. Thank you, and please do wait to subscribe if you haven't. And please turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified of it and you will watch. Thank you everyone that has always come back to watch, to share, to like, to leave me sweet comments. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and see you guys on my next one. Thank you and bye.